because each car, no two are exactly alike. The one has 2 valves on it, so they don't kind of like.
Guys, this is the color that my bumper was that I had for a little while. This whole car is that deep purple chrome.
It's not cheap. This is probably about an $8,000 job.
Like I said, I had that bumper that was this color. It looked pretty cool.
Yeah, it's a really nice color. This is a Cobra with a whipper on.
Shoot.
Me, I'm more simple-minded. I think I'd be the one rocking that tan-ish color one right there.
So that's kind of intake your knee right there.
Yeah, you have to cook that, or that King to be able to have that big like.
Get it powder coated.
It looks like this was like molded. This was specially made to fit it. I don't blame it because I don't really like how they built it with the stock tube that runs out the side. So I think that does clean it up a little bit. I need to actually see if Spencer's here. Spencer's in the car show, so I imagine he'd be here. Your ass right there. That's Mustang week right there. That's Mustang week. You feeling it now.
American muscle, baby.
Hell
You
yeah.
ain't gonna get that out of no Camaro, man.
Yeah. Yeah, you hear that? All you slow Camaro owners out there.
You about to saw the war with this man. This man about to lose all his Camaro subscribers.
Ew. Channel heard it first from this guy. Ain't no Chevys up in here.
Yours got a short throw shifter?
Nah.
Oh man, dude, you gotta get a short throw.
Yeah, you would love it.
Dude, you would love it if you had a short throw
Yeah, my
shifter.
last new Edge, I had a short throw shifter. I'm telling you, man. Once you done drove with a short throw shifter, you will not want anything else.
This thing is like a boss.
Yeah, oh yeah.
Yeah, man, I plan on putting some outlaws on this thing to make her super loud. It's already got long tube headers on it and no cats on it. It's got Flowmaster
That's where you
40s
get
on
that
it.
growl from, yeah.
Yeah.
You have no two headers.
Dude, you can't beat the 2-valve sound.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah,
dude.
that's what
The-
everybody says.
the-
Even 5.0 guys say that.
Yeah, the 2 valves, they be breaking necks like crazy, man.
Yeah.
Like, yeah, you cannot go wrong with them.
Also, you got to use these wide profile tires, so it'll help keep the
Oh,
car
yeah.
from losing
Yeah, I
grip.
got racing tires on the fire, on the back.
Yeah, so you don't have to really worry too much about the car, the rear end going off on.
Yeah. Although I have had some close calls to where I about ended up in the ditch. Considering my traction control doesn't work.
Have you hit any people, Mo?
No.
Okay,
what's
so
important. That's
it's
what's
alright.
Let's see if we can get you a good spot. He like, don't be foolish.
Hey, I'm not gonna lie, but the 3 valves, they sound hella good.
Like
If somebody tell this granny car to move out of the
this
way.
man up in this Mustang, he got behind you and heard it.
Let's
That
say
man said, you want me talking all that shit? I'm gonna show you something. You want me talking that shit?
Hey, careful, that's a Saber in front of us. You ain't want to mess with that guy.
Yeah, you want that 3800. That 3800 is gonna get you.
What, that granny mobile?
Careful, bro. Hey, that might be a Saber for all you know.
I know a sleeper when I see one.
It could have an LS3 in it.
Oh, you know the sound of an LS.
That's
Not if it got cats on it now. If it got cats on it, you're not gonna know what you're dealing with.
I mean, it depends though.
Sound like you done had some money into it.
I need me a 2-valve.
Oh no,
Yeah, you hear that
we done
mama?
lost another one. We done lost another one.
What do you
He
mean?
said he want a V8 now.
Bro, I already wanted one, but now I just wanted that much more.
Damn, you was not a drove one before, man.
Dude, it is so much fun.
Yeah, see, he let me drive his the other night, and I was like, damn, man, I think I got to do one too.
Yeah. It'd be a killer, man.
Cause I got to say, this thing got something that even the 2.3
Even
S550 won't even. He's supposed to have he's the main one hosting. maybe joyride you.
It still blows my mind. They got the 5.0 out here and some F-150s. Come chuck your ass down with the truck.
At least there's not an undercover 5.0 car. Put a Prius.
Imagine. Put a siren on a Prius.
I said, over there. Wait. Wait the rest of the fence. Yeah, we might need to go in XM. Let's go in XM.
I saw Teddy's S197 sitting back over there, yeah.
Let's go that way then.
I think it was when we were walking in from where we parked. I think he was parked near where we parked. If I'm correct.
Ooh, the whiteness. That's not a popular style, but hey, it's yours. To him, his own, like they say. I don't think they will be out this way, so let's they might be on the other side of Hooters.
Oh man, that sounds good.
I know Mustang lifestyle. I know they got they're showcasing the car.
Well, look at that red Cobra. That is clean.
That's red fire.
Teddy's S1. No, it's not. No, wrong one. I saw his earlier. We were walking over this way.
We'll find it.
There it is. Right next to Joel's.
Yeah. He moved his over here. We had the opportunity. Now we need to find Mustang lifestyle, and we need to find that 1320 chick. Sarah wants to talk to her.
Hey, there's a guy with the Lambo doors.
Yeah, I was just telling Sarah, we're gonna come back to him. No, I don't think so. I'm just circling Hooters because I know they're supposed to be at Hooters, so I'm just circling to make sure they're on here. And then if not, I will ask Derek where they are.
You really think he's gonna know?
He might. Man, look at that alternator, man. I like that. Gotta pull these out.
It's definitely clean.
Oh yeah. I like now that's an interesting touch. They got the kind of fin looking cover. Of course it's a 5-speed. All original. Look at the rims on this one. That's nice, man.
Oh.
That looks like my friend's car. This is like this. That's a solid gold. Yeah. I don't know. That might be a solid gold.